This is mine. Welcome back. It is Saturday, episode 3. When we left off yesterday, we'd done all the bogging. It's now all really solid, so we're just going to get in, sand it all, and then we're going to start painting the top, which should be fun. Everyone knows that this is the best part right here. It's the bit you savour. Alright, well I finished sanding. That got really messy and dusty. I should have brought the vacuum home and hooked it up to the vacuum. I mean, I've got a dustless sander, but it's kind of silly of me not to make use of it. But anyway, we got it all done. If I had an air compressor now, I'd blow it all out. But instead, kind of got to work with what I've got, and all I've got today is the vacuum, but that should be fine. And then I'll use a wet rag to wipe it all down. I'll vacuum out the inside and clean it up a bit, and then we can prime it. Alrighty, so as you can see, we've got the primer on. Now this might be a part where some people click off the video, but if you think of this less as a tutorial and more of an experiment, what I'm doing, I've actually got some tile paint. Now, as a painter, I've used tile paint in the past, and it is really sticky and it adheres to most things. This is a free boat. I had some tile paint laying around. In the interest of cutting costs, I've given it a go. Now the advantage for me is that I have a really good sander. I can sand it all back really easily if it looks crap or doesn't adhere or whatever. I was going to use 2-pack, but I figured, hey, I'll just try this. All I'm going to be doing is just taking it for runs to the dam anyway. And I might even, just tidy it up a bit more before I sell it or whatever with the proper 2-pack or something. But I've given it a go. It's come up pretty good. It's a little bit, I don't know whether it's too white, if that makes sense or not. I guess we'll give it a few more coats and we'll see how it looks. It's possible that it's sort of given that cream in the hull still. It might just be mucking around with the colours and making it pop too much. I don't know yet, but we'll get the inside of the hull painted and then I'll give you a look. But yeah, like I said, it's just an experiment. It was a free boat, so may as well just give it a go and we'll see how it turns out. Okay. Thanks, Rezzy. So funny. Alright, well that's going to do it for today's episode. It was a little bit of a shorter one. Hello bear, as in every episode. Up over there. Just don't want you on the boat, buddy. Over there. Yeah, sorry that it was a little bit of a shorter one, but I've kind of run out of time with the weather and light and stuff. But we've got it primed. Pretty happy with how it came up. The paint was free, the boat was free, so you can't really get much better than that. I'm probably going to get a proper 2-pack top coat for it. I'll double check the adherence, obviously, give it a scratch test and stuff like that, and make sure that this primer's adhered, and then we'll get some 2-pack top coat on it. I think I'm going to stick with the white. I may go like a subtle off-white leaning towards more of a grey or something, but as I said, like the boat's going to have like some deck armour, it's going to have all the accessories, we're going to put boat seats in it, so I think it's going to look pretty good, just white as it is. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video and if you want to follow along with this series and with the next boat build that I've got coming up, I've got a boat in New South Wales that I've got to go pick up and bring back here once all the COVID stuff sort of settles down and the borders open. If you want to follow along with that one, then feel free to subscribe and you'll see all the videos come up as I make them. I'm trying to do weekly, but we'll see how we go. The weather's just been kicking my butt at the moment, so yeah, if you want to follow along, then I'll try to get the videos out as regularly as possible. I may be able to get a boat trailer for this in the next few weeks and we'll get it out on the water, so I'm really excited for that. I'm keen to see how it goes. I think these boats are designed to be run with like a maximum 50 or 40 horsepower. Obviously I won't be running that, I'm just going to chuck my 15 on it and see how it goes. We'll just putt around, might try to put out a fishing episode if we can get it out there. But until then, thanks heaps for tuning in and we'll see you in the next one.